Here we have the wiring harness. Keep this open. That's right, still the same day from that first video where I thanked everybody. Subscriber. Another holder is going to be coming in tomorrow evening. We got warning labels. We got some tie straps here. Infuse here. Well, it's going to be pretty easy to put this wires. So here's the connector here that's going to connect to. Just going to keep stabbing it until the tape comes off. That's just the protective cover. Just set that aside, throw it away, do whatever you want to do. So it's just going to connect right here. It only connects one way, and then we're going to zip tie it up around. So let's connect it, and I'm going to use the zip ties it came with to tie this up out of the way. Go back up there. I went up and over the bar, and it's going to mount to this thing here. I'm just going to find good places to zip tie that up out of the way. Right, so these are the pieces that mount that, the hitch tail or the wiring. These come with the hitch. They don't come with the wiring. We're going to use this. This gets set right on top. It has these big notches here, both sides. That's going to go in there. Has it there too. So this is going to come down and sit like this. If it wasn't so squirmy. And they're like that. Going to be like that, and then I got there's a screw and then a spacer between there, and then the nut on the bottom. See how it has it goes down, you got the nut on the bottom, the spacer in between there, and you got one for each side. I haven't put the other side in, and then you just simply tighten that, and we'll get this rest of this zip tied up out of the way. I did some over here. There is no cover that goes on this, so you want to make sure it's up and out and not hanging down. So I got all the wires up there. It's pretty long. I got one. They had one really long zip tie that it came with. I put that there, hold it, and I'm gonna cut all those tails off, and then the wiring will be done. Just cover on here. And that will be wiring. It's pretty simple. It's just finding places to zip tie all this stuff to.